Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will tell you that how you can use papaya for uric acid. So if you want to get less uric acid, means you want to minimize it, then you need papaya for it. Just take raw papaya if it is available at your home. So first of all you need papaya slices. Here I have taken papaya slices and a packet of green tea. So here I have taken the Lipton green tea. You can take any of the green tea, whatever you have, and just slice out the papaya and cut it into the small pieces like this. So here I am cutting down the pieces of papaya. All these things will help in reducing the uric acid, also flushes out the toxins from your kidney and cleanses it properly. Now take a pan and add some water in it and let it boil for a few seconds. So what you need to do is, you need to add the Lipton green tea bag in it. So here I have added the Lipton green tea bag in it. So you can see now the color is changing. So the next thing what you need to do is, you need to add the papaya slices in the mixture and you need to boil it. On the low flame gas, just boil it for a few minutes. Actually, it will create a tea in it. So this tea will help in reducing the uric acid very effectively. You need to drink twice a day. So here our tea is getting ready. So what you need to do is just drain the mixture out with the help of a strainer and just drink this mixture. Just drink this tea twice a day to get rid of uric acid problem. Thanks for watching this video.